Hello everyone, this is Sam Spade interrupting your semi-regularly scheduled tutorials with an important announcement. Opera GX is hosting a GameMaker only game jam with a $10,000 first place prize, and this means a couple of different things. As many of you probably know, Opera bought YoYo games from Playtech pretty recently within the last year, and so far this has been nothing but great. GameMaker has been receiving frequent updates, there's been a whole new set of official beginner tutorials published, and Opera has been supporting and promoting GameMaker in other ways as well, for example through this jam. Not only is there a first place prize of $10,000, but the grand prize winner gets their game in the Opera GX No Internet page, aka their version of the Google Dinosaur game, and that's really cool. But there's also a $7,000 prize for second place and a $3,000 prize for third place. So even though I probably have no real chance of winning, a lot of far more experienced people than me are competing, I've still got to try. Which brings me to the second unique thing about this jam. It is 2 weeks long. It started last Thursday, July 29th, so it's already started, and goes through August 13th. So if you want to join, you should. And right now, not only is GameMaker free, but they've made the HTML export license free as well. That's what you need to export the game, obviously, if it's going to be a no internet game. So you can join the jam completely for free, and you still have plenty of time to do so. But of course, this means no tutorial videos from me for a bit, at least none of the planned ones. I was working on a tutorial about randomness and PRNGs, a tutorial about Perlin noise, and of course, the first video in the steering behavior series, along with a couple of smaller tutorials. These are on hold during the jam, but I will start working on them again as soon as the jam is over. And for that, I'm sorry, but to make it up to you, I am recording virtually all of my game jam development, and will be releasing some form of devlog, post-jam analysis, or code review at some point during the jam or after it. I'm not sure yet, but I will be doing some tutorials about the jam itself. And those will probably show up here on this screen once they're done. And that's it, thanks for watching.